All right, guys, good morning. I wanted to come on here just to show you again Achieve 3000 when you're doing Achieve 3000, some of the strategies you should be using. So I'm just going to remind you how you can get to Achieve 3000. You have to, in the search bar here, type g.achieve and it should just pop up. So you can just go right to the website there. And then once you're logged on, the article should pop up that I want you doing today. If it doesn't, just use your arrows to look for it. And it's called Get Some Sleep. So you would view the lesson. If you want to do the before reading poll, you can. That's up to you. But I want you to start by looking at the thought question, because that's going to set your purpose for reading today. And the thought question today just wants you to basically write a summary of what you read. So after you read the article, you're going to put what the article was about into your own words as the thought question. Make sure you're mentioning the most important parts of the article. What is it mostly about? If you were telling this article, what this article is about to somebody who, if they didn't read the article, what do you think would be the most important things to tell them based on what you read? That's what I want you thinking about, because that's going to be your thought question here. After you read your thought question and you have you set your purpose for reading, you're going to go into the article. And if your vocabulary words don't automatically pop up, you can just go to the side here to view them, listen to them, read them, and as you come across them in your reading, as you can click on it, you can listen to it, you can read it, whatever you need to do to help you understand the word. So, like we do in the classroom, you're going to read this at least twice, just to make sure that you're understanding what you're reading. And, as I showed you in the last one, and we've done this in the classroom, as you're reading, if anything you find important, I'm just going to pick a random sentence here just to show you, but you can highlight that there. If you read something you think is worth highlighting, is important, is a main part of the article, something maybe you want to include in your summary, I recommend you highlighting it. After you read your article, you're going to the activity. And when you're working on the activity, you absolutely positively should be splitting your screen. So I'm going to show you how to do that again in case you don't remember. You have to minimize that screen. So I just clicked that middle button there and bring this over to one side. And then you can refer to article and it brings it over, small on the other side, and just have them next to each other so that while you're answering questions, you can refer back to the article and you don't have to keep clicking it and going into different windows. It's just right here. So you're going to have it next to you like this so you can confirm answers, go back in to look for answers, however it's going to help you. After you finish the article, that is when you're going to the thought question and you are typing in the thought question. Um, you're typing in the thought question here, and then when you're finished, please don't forget to click submit over here so that I get your work. And that is your assignment today.